Professor S. Tikendra, President of BJP Manipur Pradesh, has approved and welcomed the joining of 18 leaders of the National People's Party (NPP), including former Minister and President of NPP Manipur Unit, Thangmilian Kipgen, in the Saffron Party, for which a reception ceremony was held at the Darbar Hall of Chief Minister's Office in Imphal today. Awang Segmai Scheduled Caste Development Committee organized the 18 Meritorious Award Distribution Program 2020 for CBSE, Council and Board exams at Awang Segmai Kojenglima Community Hall today. The coronavirus vaccine being developed by AstraZeneca and Oxford University has successfully triggered a strong immune response among both young and old. The announcement by AstraZeneca has triggered hopes across countries ravaged by the COVID-19 pandemic. Meanwhile, in India, Bharat Biotech and ICMR will be entering Phase 3 clinical trials for the indigenous vaccine Covaxin. Rescue operation is on to find Isaac R.D. Pamai of Chamram village under Tosem subdivision of Tamenglong district, but presently staying in Guigailong village. Pamai is said to have fallen into Barak River this morning. The incident happened when he was trying to cross the river across with his wife on a boat to visit family paddy fields. At least 7 people, including children, were killed and dozens injured in a blast near a seminary in Peshaw's Deer colony in Pakistan. The blast took place in a madrasa where unknown people had planted explosives in a plastic bag, a police officer said. The injured were shifted to Lady Reading Hospital, according to media reports. India has recorded 79,09,959 confirmed COVID-19 cases, including 1,19,014 deaths in the last 24 hours. A total of 71,37,228 people have recuperated from COVID-19 so far. Yet, India's recovery rate continued to rise and now stands at 90.23%. Unlock 5 is underway. Globally, more than 43 million people have been infected by the coronavirus and 1.15 million have died so far. Manipur registered 255 fresh cases of COVID-19 in the past 24 hours. Manipur's virus total tally has spiked to 17,424. In the last 24 hours, 5 persons, including an 87-year-old woman from Imphal East, succumbed to the disease, said COVID-19 Command Control Group. The death toll due to the infectious disease has reached 144 in the state. The active cases stand at 4,223, while the recoveries have climbed to 13,057. The recovery rate has improved to 74.93%. Angry residents of Salungpham under Hairo constituency of Thoubal district today staged a protest rally against negligence by authorities over bad road condition for years. The protesters turned over the village road during the protest. The rally was organized by United Club Organization, a conglomerate of various local clubs of Salungpham area. Member of National Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP) Kishan Morcha Mayangambam Rameshwar, under the aegis of Department of Horticulture, Government of Manipur, distributed free winter crop seeds to 100 farmers of Kachin constituency today. The World Bank has approved a $120 million project to improve and modernize the transport sector in Meghalaya. The report said the $120 million loan from the International Bank for Reconstruction and Development (IBRD) has a maturity of 14 years, including a grace period of 6 years. The project will help Meghalaya to harness its vast growth potential for high-value agriculture and tourism. An Assam BJP Youth Wing leader has refused to withdraw the FIR lodged by him against the Khasi Students' Union KSU chief for putting a poster against Bengalis residing in Meghalaya. According to media reports, BJP MLA in Meghalaya had asked Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha's Kasar chief Amitesh Chakraborty to withdraw the FIR lodged by him against the KSU chief. Nagaland has reported 2 more COVID-19 related deaths yesterday, taking the death toll in the state to 27. So far, 38 COVID-19 positive patients in the state passed away. 37 new COVID-19 positive cases were also detected yesterday, taking the total number of positive cases in the state to 8,663. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will distribute loans to around 3 lakh street vendors under the PM SVA Nidhi scheme. Pradhan Mantri Street Vendors Atmanirbhar Nidhi Yojana via video conferencing today, a media reports that. The Prime Minister will also interact with beneficiaries of the scheme on the occasion. Ahead of the third India-US 2+2 ministerial meeting between the foreign and defense ministers of both sides, the two ministers held separate bilateral meetings yesterday after the arrival of the visiting delegation, US Secretary of State Mike Pompeo and US Secretary of Defense Mark Esper. The two ministers expressed satisfaction that the agreement of BECA will be signed during the visit.